You shifted to physical school to online schooling. So how was this experience for you?
It has been great so far. Everything has been like so easy to communicate with the teachers. Uh, the classes over Zoom helped me a lot over the courses, like to explain like everything and not miss out on anything.
What is your favorite part of the day? And can you describe what a typical day looks like for you?
So basically, I wake up at 6. I have at 6 a.m. I have breakfast at 6:30 a.m. So like on 7 a.m. I can be on court practicing, and I practice from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. So then after that I get to my house. Then I shower and everything. I get ready. I eat at 1 p.m. and from 12 to 3 I have a time where I'm free. So basically, that's where I book my classes. So I can have a class from 12 to 1 or from 1 to 2 or from 2 to 3. And that's where I like have my schedule available to have classes here in international schooling. And then after that, I go training from 4 to 7 p.m. I get back, I shower, I rest, I eat dinner, and that's everything.
What is the key reason you believe international schooling is the best choice for you?
My favorite part in international schooling is obviously like having class with the teachers, like talking to them about the past lesson and having some question and answering them, and just like like to bond as teacher and student for like the lesson. That's basically my favorite part. And my favorite part outside of international schooling is like to get like to training and get like a good training and have fun.
What message would you share with fellow athletes to inspire or help them?
There's this school, it's a very good one. It's approved and everything. It has like all these teachers. You can make your schedule. It can be very easy like to transition from like regular school to an online school, and it basically like helps you a lot in everyday life and everything. Like you can make like your own schedule and everything so that you can organize yourself and train more time.